Welcome back to Best Apps for. Today, we're diving into the world of background eraser apps, exploring the top tools that'll effortlessly remove backgrounds from your photos. From precision to simplicity, we'll uncover the best features and functionalities these apps offer. Let's get started on transforming your editing game. Just go to your Play Store and simply type background eraser. Install this apps. I am installing now. This apps is very small and easy to use. Now open this apps. Now, I will show you how it remove background in just one click. Now tap here to load a photo. Here you will see your photos. I will select an image to remove the background. I will crop this image as much as possible. Let's select the auto color feature. Then put this red mark as image background and watch the magic. Now click on Done. On this page you will find numbers from 0 to 5. By selecting these numbers you can adjust the sharp edges of the image. If everything is fine, then click here to save the image. See how easily I removed the background of a picture. Now, you can place this image on any background or create a thumbnail, and thus you can also edit the product image. All our work is done. Now click on Finish. For your convenience, I will now show you a picture with the background removed as quickly as possible. You can zoom in on the image to make it easier to work with. The white spots in the background that are still visible will not be there in the next step. See how nicely it removes the background. I have shown how to remove if there is one color in the picture background. Now, we'll show how to remove if the background is of many colors. First, I will click on Load a Photo, and then select Image from Gallery. Now, I will cut this image as much as possible. Done. At first, I will apply Auto Selfie feature for this picture. Here, I don't have to do anything. Just click the Auto Selfie button. Half of my work is done here. I will now zoom in to see what is wrong with this picture. All these areas of the image have some problem. From here, the background is not completely removed. But don't worry. I will remove these background noises very professionally using some features. Now, I will solve the rest of the work on this image using 3 amazing features: Magic, Manual, and Repair. Let's get started. By moving this point left and right, you can make the magic circle bigger and smaller. Keep the magic circle small if you want to do the work very delicately. I'm fixing the magic circle at my convenience. Removing background with this tool is very easy and time-saving. Watch the video patiently and don't skip. After watching this video, you don't have to worry about background removal of any image. Here, I have to use a little bit of the repair feature. Some parts of the original image were deleted during automatic background removal. The video is getting too big, so as not to waste your precious time, I will speed up the video a bit. Here, I will use the repair feature again. Now, I will quickly complete some other tasks. Check out what features I'm using. Okay, I'm done. I have very professionally removed the background of a photo. Now, click on the Done button at the top right side to proceed to the next step. In this step, I will smooth out the sharp edges of the image. All the work on the image is done now. I will click on the Finish button on the top right side to save the image. Thanks for watching this video. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Stay in the loop for more exciting episodes and tech recommendations.